Hello guys, welcome to Lolo's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this homemade shea seed bread. So juicy, so creamy, full of filling. So as you can see, I go in with salt, then I go in with active yeast, 2 spoons of active yeast. Then after adding the active yeast, then the next thing I'm going to go in with is my sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Then I go in with groundnut oil. Then the next thing I go in it was my egg. Then I added egg. Then the next thing I mixed everything and combined together. Then after mixing the egg, the groundnut oil, the salt, and the active yeast, then the next thing I added was my butter. I go in with butter because I like to mix the bread, the flour and the butter together so that when I'm mixing it, it will not get over soft later. So that is why I like to add my butter inside the water, sometimes not all the time. Then the next thing I go in was my flour. I'm going to be adding the flour step by step just for me to mix it thoroughly. Mix the first batch until it is well mixed, nice and okay, just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. Make sure the first batch is well mixed and nice and okay. Then after that, I'm going to go in with the second batch. So guys, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you subscribe on my YouTube channel at Lulu's Kitchen? Like, subscribe, drop your comment, and also don't forget to always hit the bell icon. Whenever I drop new video, you'll be the first to notify and first to watch my video on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. So after that, I'm going to be hitting it in my bowl, or you can use word surface for this so that you can easily get that fluffy dough before you have to give your dough time to knead it very well. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to rest. This is the fillet I'm going to be using. I'm using chicken breast. I go in with seasoning. I'm not going to be cooking this meat. I'm going to be using it like this. I go in with salt, black pepper, thyme, curry, chicken seasoning, and nutmeg. And I go. The last thing I added there was my salt. I go in with salt. Then after that, I'm going to go in with red pepper, green pepper, and chopped onions. Then I added everything together. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I put off my hand glove and I mix until it is well mixed, nice and okay. Just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. Making this shea seed bread pizza, it tastes so amazing. This bread was so sweet, oh, it was so super sweet. I can't lie you. You see this shea seed bread, or you can call it shea seed pizza bread. It tastes so amazing. It was so crunchy, so juicy, and so nice. After that, as you can see, our dough is rice enough. What you have to do next is to deframe the dough. Then after deframing it, you are going to transfer it into our wall surface. And after that, we are going to knead it a little bit. Then we are going to grab our dough cutter. We are going to be cutting it just the way you see me doing it in this video. If you follow this step, your blood is going to come out so amazing. Either you have mixer, you don't have mixer, just follow this my step. Give your dough time, knead it thoroughly, make sure it is well knead, nice and okay. You will enjoy baking bread, my brother and my sister. Then after that, the next thing I do, I grab one of the dough, then I'm going to roll it with my lolly stick. Roll it thoroughly, make sure it is well rolled. After that, you are going to go in with the breast meat that you already seasoning, the chicken breast that you already seasoning. Then I'm going to go in with cheese. After topping it with cheese, I'm going to seal it up thoroughly. You have to make sure that it is well sealed, nice and okay, to avoid the dough not to get burst while you are baking it in the oven. That is why you are going to seal it thoroughly and make sure that it is well sealed, nice, okay, and so simple to make. You can do it, guys, you can do it. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to set it aside and repeat the same process. You can use your hand to level the bread in your one surface, then you add your filling, then you seal it thoroughly, Just repeat the same process. You are good to go. So easy, so nice, so amazing. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I grab my warm milk. I'm going to be dipping the bread into my warm milk, front and back, just like this. And I'll bring it out. I'll bring out my share seed. This is what we need for the bread. Then I'm going to dip it into my share seed like this. I'm going to make sure that everything is well rubbed inside the share seed, front and back. Make sure it is well rubbed. Then after that, after rubbing it, you have to make sure that you check the back side so that you will not get burst while you are dropping it in your baking tray. As you can see, our chef said pizza bread is ready. What we have to do next now is to open the front one. We have to open it like this. Open it step by step and make sure that it is well open. You don't need the knife to over dip inside. You just need to open it a little bit, just like this. Then repeat the same process until you are done opening the share seed bread pizza. So just make sure that it is well open, nice and okay, just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. Guys, this bread tastes so amazing. I'm not kidding. You can go and try this share seed bread pizza. It was so nice, so simple to make, so amazing. You will love it when you try it, and you will come in the comment section to come and thank me later. Don't forget to follow me. Oh, when I drop a burger recipe, you'll be the first to notify and be the first to know. Just go and try this share seed bread. You will like it and you are going to enjoy it. Is it the creamy one? Is it the juicy? Is it the scrubble that it was scrubble in our mouth? So I go in with my, then I put it in the oven, allow it to bake. As you can see, our chef seed pizza bread is ready. Are you going to try this homemade chef seed bread? It tastes so amazing, so simple to make, so yummy, so delicious, so crunchy, and so juicy. Look at it now. Look at how stressful it is when I was tearing it apart. Guys, when I test this in here, I was just shaking my head. Don't forget